Hey there, are you someone who loves takes, enjoys sharing knowledge, or has an audience that looks up to you for coding or project help? Well, what if I told you that you could actually turn that influence into real income? Welcome to the CodeAJ Collaborator program, where you can earn 50% commission on every successful project referral you make. Now, you might be wondering, is this for me? Let me tell you, it absolutely is. Whether you are a YouTuber who posts coding tutorials, a teacher guiding for students through project work, an Instagram or LinkedIn tech influencer on the rise, or even a student who's just passionate about tech and has a great coding circle, you can become a CodeAJ collaborator. Yes, you. No special criteria, no big requirements, just for love for tech and the will to share it. So, what do you get by joining? First, you earn 50% commission on every project that gets sold through your referral. You'll get a unique referral link just for you to make sharing super easy. You will also make a real-time access to your sales and earning through a professional dashboard. And don't worry about waiting for payments. We pay you weekly straight to your bank account. On top of that, you get your own custom referral code because personal branding matters. And here's the fun part. We get you very own collaborative webpage. Think of it as your personal mini store where your audience can see all the amazing CodeAJ projects in one place. When they buy a project through a page, they get a 10% discount and you get a 50% commission. It's a win for them and a big win for you. So, getting started is super simple. Step 1. Go to our website and sign up as a collaborator. Step 2. Receive your referral link and personal web page. Step 3. Start sharing it with your audience. Step 4. Track every click, sale and conversion through your dashboard. And step 5. Get paid every single week, no delays. So yes, the dashboard is built to make your life easy. You can track your referrals and earning in real time. Create custom links for special projects, specific projects, view detailed analytics with graphs and steps. Upload your own profile photo. And yes, it works smoothly on your phone too. So you can manage things on that too. So at CodeAJ, we value transparency and fairness. That means no hidden deductions, no confusing terms, just clear commission tracking and weekly payouts you can count on. So, and if you ever need help, our support team is always just a message away, ready to guide you. So, are you ready to help students and creators discover amazing tech projects while building a strong side income for yourself? Then don't wait. Visit projects.codeaj.com/collaborator. Click on Become a Collaborator and let us help you get started with your own dashboard, referral links and a personal landing page that all's yours. So okay, join over 500 happy collaborators who are already earning with CodeAJ. Share your love for it, earn on every click, empower the next generation of coders. This is more than a program, it's a movement. The CodeAJ Collaborator program where your influence turns into income. And start your journey from today onwards.